Today we're going to do this horrible science violent volcano. Apparently it's a blast, so let's get cracking. Can't open it. Can't open it. Come on. My God. Hello guys. First, that's goggles. Next, the instruction manual for the violent volcano. Some people and some 2 glasses of bicarbonate of soda. The next one is tartaric acid. Next, the actual volcano, black. And that's all. No, there's one more thing, a teaspoon. So now we're going to do 3 scoops of tartaric acid into the base of the volcano. So let's go. Now I'm going to get some washing up liquid. Here I go. Now I'm going to mix it. Now that's done. Now I'm going to pour it into the volcano. Now that's done. Do 1 scoop of bicarbonate. This thing. I'm going to put it in bicarbonate. Now, does it fit me? Yes, it does. Bit hurtful though. Whoa! As you can see, it wouldn't go in my eye, but at least it's really good to look at. That wasn't good. That wasn't good. Didn't like that. So I'm going to multiply the ingredients to make it much better. Much. I'm going to do, I would have done 3 scoops, but now I'm going to triple the amount to 9. 1, 9. Now I'm going to triple the amount of the washing up liquid. 1, 2, and final 3. It can get messy. Now, so I don't forget, I'm going to put my goggles on. The instructions say to put 1 of the bicarbonate soda. So instead of that, I'm going to triple it to make it much better. I'm putting it into the lid. Right, 3 there is. So quickly I'm going to move. So I'm going to lightly stand up and start to run away. There are 3 scoops in here, and this is the finale of the video, so I'm going to do this really carefully. Whoa. Well, that was good. Much better than the last explosion. It's still going, you see. And it's keep on moving her way. Wow! Shake it, shake it. Well, I decided to give it a shake and it went everywhere. Now I'm going to do the max. I put all my tartanic acid in here up to the max. So now I'm going to pour it in and it's going to be explosion. Whoa! Well, that was really good. So, yeah, bye!